Hello, today I'm going to show you how to set the combination on this combination lock. This is part number DL-BK1052. This is manufactured from Armstrong Lock. It's a very high quality lock. This is all metal, it's zinc. The face is zinc. Of course, the back barrel is also zinc. So when you first get it, it's going to come with set code of 0000. You can see you can turn it either way. So if I'm in a lock position and I lock it, it won't turn. It'll only turn when I put it back to 0000. Now when you want to change the code, you'll see that there's a little button here. You'll have to have it in the unlock position with the current code on it. What you'll do, you'll push the button and hold it in, and then all you have to do is move these numbers. So I'm going to make it 1, 2, 3, 4. Then release the button. Now that is the new code. So let's say I just move 1. Doesn't open. Now, to use the override key, so if you forget what the code is, all you have to do is take the key, put it in, turn it 90 degrees clockwise, and it's still not going to work. So it's not going to move or anything like that. What you have to do is you're going to use your finger and push up on all of these numbers. You're just going to push up until it stops. And it kind of stops. You can't really force it anymore. So you just push it till it stops. All of them. And it's going to stop on the code that you made it. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what I made it. So you can either turn it and open it now and then take the key out. Of course, you have to turn it back the 90 degrees. Or when it's like this, you could take the key out right then and there and then turn it. Once you did that, if you want to reset it, you just push the button again and change the numbers around to whatever you want. And that's how you reset this lock. Hope that helped. Check us out on lockconnection.net. Thank you.